it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken drumstick with potato and carrots. And these are the ingredients you need. Potato, 10 drumsticks, 2 carrots, onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 slices of ginger, oil, soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, pepper, cornstarch, sugar, and salt. Okay, I'm going to marinate the drumstick first. So you need 1 tablespoon of soy, the light one, and then pepper. Just shake a little bit, not too much. Half a teaspoon of sugar, about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Okay, I have peeled my vegetables and now it's time to cut it. So the portion that I'm cooking tonight is enough for 4 to 5 people. I use high heat and my pan is hot, so I'm going to put in a little bit of oil and then add in the drumstick. Let it cook until turns color on both sides. Try to get both sides to turn color. Now all sides are golden brown. I'm going to add water. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. And then let it cook for 5 minutes. I have moved my pot of chicken drumstick to the other stove. So I'm using this stove to pan fry the vegetable. I'm using a medium heat. Add some oil and fry the onion. Okay, I can smell the aroma from the onion, so I'm going to add in the carrot and the potato. The vegetable is golden brown now, so I have turned off the heat. And we are going to add it to the chicken drumstick. So it's been like 6 minutes cooking and it's like half cooked already. So right now I'm going to add in the 2 slices of ginger and the garlic, and then followed by the vegetable. And I am going to add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy, and 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix it. I'm using a high heat, okay? And then let's cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and I'm checking it. Okay, make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. It's almost fully cooked, but it's not cooked yet. Let's do another 3 minutes. Cover it back. It smells so yummy. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let me check. Let me use a fork. Yep, it's soft. It's breakable. And yeah, the chicken also crunchy, so it's fully cooked. You can tell the chicken, see the meat sticking out from the bone, so it's fully cooked. And if you think it's watery, you can add cornstarch. I like the sauce, so I am not going to add cornstarch. So basically my meal is done for me, and it goes really well with the rice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.